Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Halo campaign evolved game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to restart stream or restart your PC. So click on this word stream and then click on exit. This will exit the stream and then relaunch stream and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 2. Confirm your early access license. If the game still says it isn't available or refuses to launch, double check your edition. Only the premium edition and collector's bundle include early access before the July 28 global launch. Fix 3. Check for game update and finish downloading every game files. Several players thought that the preload had finished when additional files were still awaiting. Open Steam, downloads, and make sure there aren't any pending updates. Also check whether Steam is still unpacking encrypted preload files before launch. Fix 4 is to download and install the 610.82 hotfix driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. I have provided this link in my video description. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, here you will see GeForce Hotfix display driver version 610.82, and this hotfix addresses the following: Halo campaign evolved, stability issue on GeForce RTX 50 series. So scroll down, click here to download the GeForce Hotfix display driver. So click here, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it. Now before running it, first close the open games. If you're running any of the games on your PC, then close all of the games. Also close the NVIDIA app. Then run the downloaded exe file and then choose custom advanced in the installation, and then check mark the perform a clean installation box. Then click on next and then let it install. And once it get installed, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check, and the problem will get solved. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. So open Steam. Go to library, right click on Halo campaign evolved game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 6. Run the game from Steam and not from the game installation folder. So open Steam, click on play button, and when you click on play button, it will ask you to select launch options. So select the first option, that is play Halo campaign evolved, and then click on play and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, and then you can go ahead, launch the Halo campaign evolved game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, right click on the Halo campaign evolved game. This is just an example, and then click on properties, and then in the general tab you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable the Discord overlay as well. Disable NVIDIA overlay. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA app and then open the NVIDIA app. Go to the settings, and here you will see NVIDIA overlay. Just toggle it off. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM, and then you can go ahead and relaunch the game and check. Fix 10. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open the Windows security. click on virus and threat protection, scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Hello campaign evolved, Meteoroid, binaries, Win64 folder. And then select this Hello campaign evolved exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Hello campaign evolved, Meteoroid folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select the Hello campaign evolved exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark for Hello campaign evolved game. This is just an example, and then click on OK to save the changes. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, WebRoot, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 11 is to delete Hello campaign evolved saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so, and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, open the local folder, and here look for the Meteoroid folder. Here it is. First right click on it and then select copy, then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete it to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update your graphic card driver. Now NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update the graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphic settings. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Hello campaign evolved, Meteoroid, binaries, Win64 folder. And then select Hello campaign evolved exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it, click on drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance. And also make sure optimization for windowed game is turned on. And then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 14, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to game installation folder, go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Hello campaign evolved game folder, Meteoroid folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. First double click this Hello campaign evolved game and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then go to the compatibility tab again and this time tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for from the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all of them, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 15 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then you have to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Halo Campaign Evolved game from your PC, restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then try to launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working after following all these fixes, then please take a note over here. If still your problem is not solved, then wait for the game developer to release the patch or updates to fix the problem. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Halo Campaign Evolved game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashes at a startup, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.